Itungada alweras akwat ke support kilele bulos kotom na tutubet naka abola south kanokada ereor kede aite eponele mutar iswa makaloka pugan Erisa loda akamunti amutego
ochiko le mara liangere so kama chike kede dio de mako dia Deko moko, oko binoroto beko diko, oko udobe emoko elio bek. So oko dogeno mone, liunge be nyo moko, yen le monene be nyo no. So na kada ude kede, ango ena mebo, udo tieber mone di jo to do jo yambe chok jo di to tien le ni ra. Oko ude. So kama ude kede. Angena meko ne emone na pieno udanga tioti. Kara ude tio do ude ne tie bala idwe kamacha. So kanga balene kungwe na ngwe kitani yange piango le poda nene
apara na ikanyete kere arai tungam ai boykoto mono kitwi kokotos anyun eponeli kamner da ke Erisa ido na de walara kwa koto mona parana kalolo na mukaga itunga iche kesa potke wala iksi koto mono samai koto mona tutbet kana nepeke diswama kaloka Uganda Wildlife Authority kanukati anyun eponeli kamner da ke Erisa.
We are waiting for a dirty gun. There is a gun for shooting it, not this one. This one, we came with this one, we shot. It's stubborn, then we shoot with this. But it's polite, it's waiting. So our gun is already in Mali, now coming. From Kampala, because the other gun, does not use bullets now. So those people are moving faster, and that is why I told you, be patient, you'll be able to see. And when we finish that, I've told the Fandara DC, we shall keep like to see in the centers, and we take to his institutes. And I saw it biting even its own leg to break. He was thinking, if I break this leg, I will go and punish these people. He knows we are the ones who have trapped it. He's ready to revenge. This one is very dangerous. He will come, that's why I don't want him to be there. He will come with that trap. And we run with the trap. The trap will kill some people. In Moroto, the trap killed 2 people.
Isama kechelwe gitigita tondwa nyuntos conversation false kesda pontos kotom na parna kalolo kanokada amon epone lokada aikamun Erisa long kotomono sawan lokai wadik iye mutolum adungun bere sama kaluka pokana utas aimo epone lokada yende bikamun Erisa lo ejiari koma metwanit karde domont amusenget walo kamutego aikamun ngesi busakint aimo ke kusodi anyun ebe esali ejiari
Nyo, doko no pay. Today, on mark ini, one erne. I'm a mark. Farmers, you are resident, you are ready to be a Jew. You bear. I mean, do more today, more than
Michael Onyenge, TV East, Erisa Bululu, Kokalaki District.